Siberian Cooler's 30 quart. This Siberian 30 quart cooler uses a similar design to other rotomolded coolers, but has a few downsides. The design accommodates a few features that other coolers don't have, such as 4-cup holder molded into the lid. This feature is also a drawback as it's not easy to clean them out. The Siberian also comes with a lifetime warranty, however they don't last more than a few years, so be sure to register your cooler after purchase. People often prefer 30 quart rotomolded coolers, looking for the perfect beach cooler to supply their family with all the drinks and food they need for a day of sun and sand. It's more than enough space to hold enough food for the whole day, as well as drinks, and its ice retention is good for about 3 days. Overall, the Siberian cooler is a significant investment that will last for many years. Through frequent use, you may see the hinges on the lid wear down a bit,